Hi there, here we are with our patient Alejandro. He stopped by the office today for a follow-up visit. He's had 2 previous max harvest procedures with us. He started losing his hair at a very young age. He was about 26 years old when he came into our office for the first time. He was what's called a class 6, which means he had no hair on the top of his head. And as a 26-year-old man in South Florida, having no hair is no bueno. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Anyways, after we did the first procedure, it came out awesome. He was very happy with it. Then he came back for the second procedure. We left the front alone and we focused on the back. He's contemplating about having a third procedure. And this is not the most common thing in my practice, but when the patients have a lot of hair loss, it takes more hair. And so this is how we do it. I'm going to just kind of have you tuck your chin down just a little bit. We'll start from the front. We'll work to mid-scalp on the first one. And then on the second one, we fill in the crown. Let me ask you a question. How was the procedure for you?
Yeah, it was really good, you know. Everything went smooth. And it felt really good.
Are you happy with your results?
Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy.
And how is how has getting your hair back?
Yeah, it's life changing.
Life changing.
Yeah.
And you said you got married?
Yeah, I got married.
So you think the hair helped?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah,
It's not easy.
100%.
It's not easy getting a girl without hair. I know, I get it. Okay.
Yeah, it changed my mood and everything.
Yeah, and it gives you confidence, right? Yeah. Okay. And so, and what would you say to somebody else thinking about doing it?
Yeah, I totally recommend it, the procedure. The earlier you come, the better for you, you know. So come here, come see Dr. Bolton.
Awesome, man. I appreciate that. And you know what's interesting with his particular case is after he's had 2 procedures with us, with the strip technique, getting these phenomenal results, he inquired with us about having an FUE, and Josh almost had a heart attack. So these results just are not, you can't get with an FUE. It's not possible. There's just so much loss, and the FUE just can't get you the amount of hair. So without taking that strip, that's not possible.
That wouldn't be possible.
And if for someone to go do an FUE more than once, the donor is completely destroyed. So I'm just going to kind of spin you around a little bit.
Yeah.
So here's his new hairline from the profile. So you can see this has all been recreated. We even got a nice little hairline as a class 6. I'm going to just kind of show the other side. And so here's the other side. You can be nice and reframed. I'm just going to kind of do a nice tilt your head back a little bit and kind of spin you all the way around. And so now on his third procedure that he wants to do, we're going to focus on getting him a nice density case in the back. He's happy with the front. Anyways, I want to thank you very much for doing this video for us.
Thank you, Doc.
Congratulations.